can see, before using any of the variable, we have to define what are the type which we will use for storing that data. So there are 4 fundamental data types, and those are character, integer, float and double. So character will be used for storing any of the character like A to Z, alpha, and special characters. So those are the characters will be used in character data type. And then integer, any numeric value in like 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, whatever, that will be stored in integer data type. And there are these 2 data types will be used for storing floating values or decimal values. So suppose if we have data like 3.14, so that will be stored in float, and any of the value like 8, 7, that will be stored in integer, and any of the character A, B, so these will be stored in character data type. So and based on the compiler, so what the compiler which I'll just tell you about the size of each of the data types. So this will be 2, this will be 4 integer, float will also be 4, and double will be 8. So I am using code block as a compiler. So and it is a highly possibility that you are using different compiler. So if you are using any of the 32-bit compiler, so this will be the size. So it is totally depend on the compiler. And if you are using Turbo C compiler, so that will be the character size will be 1 byte, integer size will be 2 byte, and float will be also 2 byte, and double size will be 4 byte. Turbo is a 16-bit compiler, so that's the main reason the size differ. So and these are the size in bytes. Okay, and in 1 bytes there will be 8 bits. Now I will tell you how these data will be stored in the computer. So suppose if we are taking character, so any character, let's say A, its ASCII value, because this won't be stored directly as a, the first it will be converted to ASCII character, and there the ASCII value of this A is 65. Same like small a, it is 95 I guess, and for 0 it is 45, and for 9 0 1 2 just increase 1 by 1, and for 9 it is 54. So whatever the data will be, suppose you have declared one character variable, okay, char, and just say x, and you have stored as a. So how it will store? So first it will be converted to as a ASCII value, and that will be 65. So the binary value of this 65 is 1, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 1. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So now 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So this is the 65. If you will convert this 65 into binary, so this will be the value. And as I told you, so I am considering this one as a 2 bytes. So in memory it will reserve 2 bytes of space, memory space. Each will be of 8 bits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And now it will be, the same data will be stored here. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5 times 0, 3 to 5, 5 times 0 on 1, and rest will be filled as 0. So this is how A, if you will write A, then this is how A will be stored in the memory. And now when a compiler will fetch the same data from the memory, so what it will does, so it will see it will have the first address. Again the same concept I will tell in the pointer in detail, how the data gets stored and how it gets fetched. So it has this address character, and then it will just take 2 bytes of data, because it know that this is the x is a character value, and that then it will take 2 bytes of data, and then it will fetch out this data. And after taking this data, it will just convert this number again to decimal number, and the decimal number, not decimal number, again this will be converted to ASCII value, and then it will see, okay, it's 65, which is equivalent to A, then it will give you the A. So this is how data is stored. So again, if you will store number 2, so it will take 16 bits, sorry, 4 bytes of data. I'm not talking about the Turbo C. That just keep in mind. If you will if you are using Turbo C, then again in Turbo C it will reserve only 2 bytes. So it will reserve 4 bytes the same way, and each contains 8 bytes. And then the equivalent of these two, consider this as a 32 bits, because 4 bytes is equal to 32 bits. So the same 2 will be 2 equivalent is 1 0, and rest will be 0 0 0. So this is how data will be stored in the memory.